discussion is income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account is one of the final accounts prepared by non-profit organizations like clubs, societies, schools, colleges, hospitals, trusts, etc. Income and expenditure account is prepared in lieu of profit and loss account. Now I will present to you detailed notes on this for your easy understanding. The form of income and expenditure account. This is divided into two parts. Left side, that is debit side, is called expenditure side. Right side, that is credit side, is called income side. Now let us see the steps to prepare income and expenditure account. In order to prepare income and expenditure account from receipts and payments account and other information supplied, the following steps are required. Step 1. Exclude the opening and closing balance of cash and bank given in the receipts and payments account as they are balance sheet items. Step 2. Exclude all capital receipts and capital payments given in the receipts and payments account. Step 3. Enter the revenue expenses given in receipts and payments account on the debit side, that is expenditure side of income and expenditure account. Examples of revenue examples are salaries, rent, insurance, printing and stationery, newspapers and periodicals, honorarium to secretary, insurance premium, electricity charges, lodge charges, washing charges, interest on loan, general expenses. Then step 4. Enter revenue receipts given in receipts and payments account on the credit side, that is income side of income and expenditure account. Examples of few income are subscriptions from members, interest on investments, locker rent, rent of society hall, salary receipts, etc. Now step 5. Take items only for the current year. Then step 6. Make all adjustments relating to prepaid or outstanding expenses, income accrued or received in advance, provision for depreciation, etc. Step 8. The difference between expenditure total and income total will represent surplus or deficit. If income side total is more, it is surplus, that is excess of income over expenditure, which should be entered on the debit side of income and expenditure account as to surplus within bracket excess income over expenditure. On the other hand, if expenditure total is more, it is deficit, which shall be entered on the income side of profit and loss account as by deficit within brackets excess expenditure over income. A specimen form of income and expenditure account is given separately for your easy reference. This is a specimen. You can see on that divided into two sides. Left side expenditure side, right side income side. So on the expenditure side, all the revenue expenses are entered. Then on the income side, all revenue incomes are entered. Some of the examples. Then the difference between income total and expenditure total representing surplus is entered on the debit side of income and expenditure account. Now it is closed. Now in my next class, I shall give you one problem with solution on income and expenditure account. Thank you.